All right, let's get some of the facts out of the way, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about Luis's car. So this car came in with stock wheels. They weighed at 47.2 pounds. They're 17 by 7, 215, 45/17. We put the Wedge Sports TC105Xs on there. With these tires and everything, now we're at 40.7 pounds. We went to a 255, so we increased the tread width area, and we went to a 9-inch versus a 7.5. So the whole thing is overall more, and it actually weighs less. His car is gonna feel a lot faster to him. He's gonna be really excited when he drives his car for the first time. It's just gonna be a lot less inertia, a little more nimble and things like that. So let me get into, now that I got all the facts out of the way and some specs and stuff like that, he came in for wheels, tires, suspension. It's something that we do here at 86 Speed. We do work on cars on a pretty regular basis in between filming, but I thought we'd just kind of bring this one to you. It's a nice new clean BRZ. I really love this color. The cars dress up perfectly the way I would kind of like it. It's just nice and clean. The wheels, the tires, it's got the clear side markers. We did an AWE catback exhaust, so let's get underneath and take a look at everything. So as you guys can see here, he's got the proper hub-centric ring. He's got the nice quality raised lug nuts on there. He could use a center cap. They do offer center caps. Sometimes center caps are usually on back order. That's kind of a thing with Volk a lot. I would probably suggest some rotors on this pretty soon and some new brake pads and brakes. That would make this thing look super sick. He doesn't track this car. It's just his daily car. He just likes to have fun, spirited driving, probably like most of you guys. But let's go underneath, take a look at it. So as you guys can see, this car is still relatively stock up here, so it's gonna really sound similar to our car with the supercharger on it. We prefer to keep all this stuff. This stuff is really important to get rid of, to eliminate a lot of that rasp that people complain about with these cars. You need to have a resonated front pipe. Dual resonated front pipes actually work the best. Resonated catbacks are actually good to help eliminate the sound. You're still gonna get a lot of straight flow through sound, and this thing's gonna sound great. He's got the AWE catback exhaust. This is the touring system. So pretty much you guys have seen this before. We'll do a startup for you guys. He's got the black tips on there, which is super cool. We set him up with some tang coilovers. We've readjusted it to actually get a nice lowered stance, but not a dropped on the ground, you know, coming at you hard type stance. Still functional, I guess is the way we want to say it. Next step is he's got to really kind of get his alignment dialed in. We don't have an alignment rack here, so that's something he's got to source himself. We got a couple good buddies in town that we recommend that they go to. But that's it. I kind of want to just give you a quick overview. I want to thank Caleb for doing the install. Super easy, super simple stuff, but this guy's really gonna enjoy his car with the reduced weight on his actually wheels and tires. It's just gonna make it feel amazing. It really pays off to buy quality wheels, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this quick little clip, and let's get to some sound clips. I'll see you guys on the next video. Just included with the kit is you get this nice cool spanner wrench. This helps you adjust your coilovers. You got the cool sticker. We always put that in the car. He's got his stock lug nuts, which is something he wants to keep if he ever wants to put his stock wheels back on. And let's get a cold start of this thing.